Welcome. This is Lila Scott and Zoe Wood with Colorado Backyard Farms. Today we are going to be talking about how to get your yard ready for a garden.
Planting a garden can be an overwhelming but really exciting time. If you need ideas for inspiration, you can always walk around your neighborhood or look through garden and design magazines.
The first step is to choose your location. So walk around your yard. Notice if there are areas close to the kitchen if it's a veggie garden that you would like, or anywhere that would be convenient for a garden, what other people will notice from the street, or what you will appreciate most walking in and out of your house. Now measure the space. Write down this measurement. You will need this to decide how many plants and other materials you will be bringing in. Now just take a few days and notice, kind of observe this area. Notice the sun exposure, how sunny it is, how much shade it has. You will use this in determining what plants you will be growing later.
Your second step will be to remove any debris and turn in organic compost if you're planting. Also, this is a great time to add an irrigation system if needed.
Finally, once your area has been prepped, you can bring in your materials. So go get your plants, decide if you're going to have any rock, any pavers, if you want any patio furniture, water features, fountains, rain barrels, anything like this. And go buy your materials and bring them in and get going on your garden.
We suggest placing everything out before you actually install them so you can rearrange if needed. Enjoy watching your hard work bloom. Thanks again. We are Zoe and Lila from Colorado Backyard Farms discussing how to get your yard ready for a garden.